Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use our tools without paying for ChatGPT because there is our separate website where you can find all the tools. You can see it's copilot.us, and on our dashboard you can see the list of everything we've created so far, and for every single tool we have two options of usage, which is chat on ChatGPT and chat on copilot.us, which is our website. So for today I'm going to show you how to use our particular tool, which is under video section, and that is called YouTube Search Engine Optimization Copilot. And since we want to show you how to use it outside of ChatGPT, we're going to click on the second option, chat on copilot.us. And after a few seconds, we are in the chat. So basically, it is very easy to navigate. On the left, you can see the list of tools and also recent chats. And here you can type your prompt that you want to work with. So this particular tool is very easy to use because it is super precise in terms of features. You just need to prompt the link to YouTube video that you want to work with, and after that it will provide you some kind of a script, and also in the end the table of keywords that you can use for search engine optimization. It is very useful for people who are working with social media on everyday basis. So let's say marketing people, social media marketing managers, freelancers, also small business owners and creatives and influencers. I believe there's going to save tons of time for you because you need to research your competitors, you need to compose together keywords for every video that you are creating, and also the strategy in general for helicopter view. And I think when you have tools like that, it's really going to save you tons of time and take away all the manual work that you're doing for every single piece of content. So here, as I said before, there is a video description which goes first, super neatly organized. You can use it either for video descriptions on YouTube or just as summaries. And after that, you can also see all the keywords that you can use for your search engine optimizations with frequency, popularity, relevancy, and score, and then also some kind of little summary. I really hope this is a very useful tool for you, and the workshop that we've just had is very easy to follow. In case you have any problems with the tool, please feel free to contact our support team. They're always there to make your experience as easy and as smooth as possible. And thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.